Hi, Elliot from the Curtain and Blind Company here. In this video we're going to be talking about double roller blinds. Double roller blinds give you the best of both worlds. You can have a blockout, you can have a screen with diffused light coming through the room, or you can have a completely empty window. And it all starts with this bracket. Now these brackets measure about 65 mil, so they fit really flush into a lot of recesses, but it can also be fitted to the face. The other advantage with these brackets is that the blinds actually sit on top of each other rather than in front of each other, which gives it a nice slimline profile. Here you can see we've got a standard roll sunscreen at the back and we've got a reverse roll blockout at the front. To make use of the sunscreen, just bring it down from the back. You still get nice natural light and a view of the garden or your street, but no one can see in. Or if you want full blockout, why not motorise? The blind comes down and gives you complete full blockout within the room. If you have any other questions or you want to know more about motorisation or our double roller blinds, give us a call and we'll be happy to help.